Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out this new listing, RV garage pool home for a couple clients. Hang out and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, right here at 3665 Clearwater Drive. This one was just listed for $715. It is leased, so there were no pictures originally. Pictures are actually due back today, but of course, a couple people want to see pictures, so I'm out here doing a quick little video walkthrough. Nice south side location. Super quiet little street. I've been here for a few minutes on the phone. Haven't seen one car. So it does sit on a big corner lot, 13,500 square feet. So this also is a street that has curb and gutters, which is, you know, kind of rare for Havasu. All right, let's go check it out. So you got this cool little front courtyard. Has a little Luma wood kick out here. All right, guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath pool home built in 2010, 1,918 square feet. Nice big open living and kitchen area. Again, this one was just listed for $715. Sits on a big 13,500 square foot lot. So it's got all troweled down walls and ceilings, all tile. All the furniture is available outside of escrow. So it is a split floor plan, so the master's on one side and the other 2 bedrooms are on the other. You have a little granite topped eat-at kitchen island, stainless appliances, glass tile, backsplash. You have your pool shot out the kitchen window. French doors out to the backyard pool area. So the master is behind the kitchen area. So you have a really nice sized master. Vaulted ceilings in here. So you have a nice master bath with granite tops, dual sinks and mirrors, tall ceilings, can lights, big tub. So you have a door to the toilet, a tiled walk-in shower, your walk-in closet. All right, let's go check out the other side of the house. All right, so you have the other 2 bedrooms on the other side of the house. The one at the rear of the house has double doors, all tile floors. Sliding barn doors for the closet. So you run into a guest bath in the middle of the hall. Nice granite tops. Have a double glass shower door with tile to the ceiling. And the 3rd bedroom at the front of the house. double glass slider to the closet. So back off the entry, you have your indoor laundry. And you also have access to the garage. So the garage setup is pretty cool. You have a 3-car side that has 28 and probably 35-foot bay. They didn't put it on here. 8-foot doors, both insulated. So you have your water softener and water heater in the corner. So then you have an opening to the RV garage side. So the RV garage is 42.5 feet deep, 13.9 foot door, insulated, 12 feet wide at the door opening. And then there's also a little room in the back here. So it does have hookups. You have a 50 amp and a clean out. And then this little room we're gonna check out. So you have this cool little bonus room, casita in the back of the RV garage, has its own little mini split AC unit, tile floors. And it also has a bathroom and a door out to the backyard pool area. This little barn slider to the bathroom. It's actually a pretty good size. You have a little closet storage area, and then your bathroom. So you have a pretty cool little walk-in shower, tile all the way to the ceiling. All right, so you have a real cool backyard setup. They kind of extended the covered patio with some aluma wood covers over here. Got a little outdoor shower. Pool's real nice, has travertine decking. Looks like there's some down lights. It's a pretty nice pool. So they did some stacked stone and travertine on the spa, which is a pretty good size. They also have a gas fire pit and an outdoor barbecue area, granite tops, there's power, and another little aluma wood pergola type setup. So you have the door to the little casita area and all your pool equipment. All right, guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Clearwater. Again, this one was just listed for $715. There should be pictures in the MLS today. Just check the link below this video. I'll put the link right below this video so you guys can see all the original listing pictures when they come out, current price and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.